Hello again. This session will be about histology of oral cavity and histology of salivary gland. Firstly, we will start with the histology of oral cavity, and then we complete another session with the histology of salivary gland. This session will be about histology of oral cavity. Oral cavity is lined by oral mucosa that consists of masticatory mucosa, lining mucosa, and specialized mucosa. Masticatory mucosa is found only in gingiva and hard palate, and is lined by stratified squamous epithelium keratinized. Because this surface of mucosa is exposure to the friction with food and has underlying laminopropia, which consists of loose connective tissue, contain blood vessels and nerve. Deep to laminopropia is the reticular layer of dense connective tissue. Lining mucosa, this one is found in the lips, cheeks, alveolar mucosa, floor of the mouth, inferior surface of the tongue, and soft palate. And generally epithelium lining this type of mucosa is non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Laminopropia contain blood vessels and nerve, and has also distinct submucosa underlying the mucosa except on the inferior surface of the tongue. Specialized mucosa is associated with the sensation of taste and is restricted only to the dorsal surface of the tongue. It contains lingual papillae and taste buds, which are responsible for generation of chemical sensation of taste. Lingual papillae, these are mucosal elevation found in the anterior to surface of the tongue, anterior to sulcus terminalis. Lingual papillae and their associated taste buds constitute the specialized mucosa of the oral cavity. There are 4 types of lingual papillae: filiform, fungiform, circumvallate, and foliate papillae. As you can see here in this picture, this is the lingual papillae. Filiform papillae is found on the tips of the tongue and by side, and the most numerous one. Among the filiform papillae, there is a fungiform papillae. From its name, fungiform is mushroom-like, and this one contains taste buds. Filiform does not contain taste buds. Anterior to sulcus terminalis, that one can be seen by naked eye. This is a circumvallate papillae. It also contains taste bud. And the other type is called foliate papillae, which is rudimentary in humans. It's found only in animals. It's found on by side of the tongue. Taste buds. Taste buds, as I said, are present in the fungiform, foliate, and circumvallate papillae. On histological section, taste buds appear as an oval bodies that extend through the thickness of epithelium. A small opening onto the epithelial surface at the apex of taste buds is called taste pore. Taste buds contain like 3 types of principal cells. This is the neuroepithelial cells, or gustatory cells, supporting cells, and basal cells. Neuroepithelial cells responsible for carry taste sensation, perceptions. Supporting cells act like support, and the basal cells, which are found on the base, is responsible for like stem cells. As you can see here, taste pore, small opening above the taste buds, look like an onion. The taste buds has a covering from outside with supporting cells. At the base of the bottom down, there is basal cells, and at the end of the axon's nerve ending, this is the neuroepithelial cells or gustatory cells. That's all for today. Thank you very much.